kind of a last minute chore I want to do today. I went out to the store and looked in my front yard as I went by, and I'm like, oh, there's a couple things need doing real quick, like so that one of my grasses isn't getting enough water. I have 2 Lantana I bought months ago. I need to go ahead and plant out front. Just want to get all this done real quick. Why real quick? Neighbors, I'm sorry. I just want to get my stuff out front done and go to my private yard in the back. Hang on. Alrighty, those are the Lantana I want to plant. I took these grasses out of these pots, partly because I wanted to plant in the ground, mostly because I want to plant in the ground. They're not really succeeding. So I'm going to put Lantana in the spots where the grasses died, basically. And I'm leaving the pots here because I'm not absolutely sure I'm done with pots out front. The ground is just impossible to get through, even with a auger. I'm going to get that done real quick, and I'm going to cut back these. Gosh, what is this called? I can't think of it right now, but we'll get it. I'll tell you when I get. I'm gonna come down a little bit. All right, let's see where we're gonna put the Lantana. I can do one there, and I can do one here where that one didn't succeed. Right in the middle of my situation. I love it. It's gonna stay. I want 2 that are dying. Beautiful red. See? Love. This is where all the animals in the neighborhood pee. So I put a memorial rock down, hoping they'll stop doing it.
Not by Minnie, just one. I don't like it. It's reasonable, you know, looking out the window, but not sitting there watching. I may or may not leave this in the video. Might shadow. My glasses aren't looking very good. I'm still not getting enough water.
That's it. We're done.